Hello everyone, welcome back to another long video. Today we are going to explore one of the most mysterious and misunderstood creatures of North America, the American opossum, also known as the Virginia opossum. This animal might look like a rat at first glance, but it's far more interesting than that. So, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of this incredible survivor. The American opossum is about the size of a house cat, with grayish fur, a long pointed face, and a nearly hairless tail that helps it balance and even carry nestling materials. It's mostly found in woodlands, farmlands, and even urban areas across the United States, Mexico, and parts of Canada. Being nocturnal, it comes out mostly at night, quietly searching for food under the cover of darkness. Opossums are omnivores. They will eat almost anything, from fruits, insects, and small animals to leftovers and garbage. They play a vital role in cleaning the environment. They even help control pests by eating ticks, cockroaches, and carrion. That's why opossums are often called nature's little cleaners. What makes the opossum truly special is its prehensile tail, which acts like a fifth hand, helping it climb trees and balance. But here is the most famous trick. When threatened, the opossum can play dead. This act, called thanatosis, is an involuntary response where it collapses, drools, and even gives off a foul smell, convincing predators it's not worth eating. It's one of nature's most brilliant survival tactics. Like kangaroos, opossums are marsupials, meaning their babies are born tiny and undeveloped. After birth, they crawl into the mother's pouch, where they continue growing for several weeks. Once old enough, they ride on their mother's back, one of the cutest sights in the wild. Though many people fear them, opossums are harmless and helpful. They rarely carry rabies and help reduce harmful insects and waste. They remind us that every creature, even the ones that seem strange, has a purpose in nature. So, next time you see an opossum wandering in the dark, remember it's not a pest but a survivor and protector of balance in nature. This humble marsupial teaches us that survival isn't about strength, it's about adaptability and peace with the environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the American opossum, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your nature-loving friends. For more updates about land mammals, birds, and reptiles, press the bell icon. I have added a link in the description where you can purchase useful products that support me and help in saving wildlife. See you next time with another wonderful animal story. Save animals, save birds, save nature, save wildlife, and save your mind.